Ladies
Talking
first.
about United Technologies, it's down 1%. The supplier of helicopters and jet engines to the U.S. military says it may furlough more than 5,000 workers if the government shutdown continues into next month. United Technologies receives about 18% of its revenue from the government.
Okay, number 9, Rite Aid. This one's up about 2% after reporting a 1.9% increase in same-store sales for September. Rite Aid says growth in pharmacy sales offset a slight decline in sales at the front of the store. The stock has more than tripled this year.
Number 8, PVH, up about 4%. The owner of Tommy Hilfiger says it'll sell nearly all of its stake in shoe brand G.H. Bass to G3 Apparel Group for about $50 million in cash. The deal comes as PVH looks to shift its focus on towards more lifestyle brands like Calvin Klein and Tommy.
Number 7, Domino's. Domino's Pizza down 2% after Oppenheimer delivered the pizza chain with a downgrade. The firm cutting its rating on Domino's to perform from outperform, citing valuation, tough comparisons, and expectations for a slowdown in growth.
JCPenney down 3%. Can the magic of Disney help the struggling retailer turn around? JCPenney plans to introduce Disney shop boutiques inside some of the stores. They're going to be offering specially designed Disney toys, collectibles, and children's apparel. Obviously, with the stock down 3%, looks like the magic of Disney, not so magic.
Not helping JCP. No. Number 5, Constellation Brands, up more than 3% after the alcohol giant said its second quarter profit soared and beat analyst estimates following its biggest ever acquisition. Constellation also expects spirit sales trends to improve in the back half of the year as it rolls out new products and we get more drunk? Or
you know, but one of the ideas behind this company is that they're really appealing to a group of young people that are very loyal to higher-end brands. And so the profit margins are much stronger amongst some of those.
Well, spirit prices
brands
have been rising about 3% per year over the past several years. So pricing power, that's a big story.
Well, and it's always great to sell a product that's physically addictive.
It doesn't hurt.
Yes,
You know?
there is that.
It helps out a lot.
Number 4 is Blackberry, not so physically addictive, right? Down 3%. A bidding war might be brewing for the smartphone maker. Cerberus has expressed interest in the Blackberry, according to a person familiar with the matter. Fairfax Financial already made a $4.7 billion offer for the company last month.
And RadioShack down nearly 5% today. The consumer electronics seller plans to raise funds by the end of the year. That's according to people familiar with the matter. RadioShack is seeking funds to persuade vendors to support its turnaround effort. This stock has felt like a turnaround effort forever. It's just one after another.
I still love going into that store.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Why?
They have really cool stuff. They have really cool stuff to buy. There are a lot of fun, quirky wireless products. They have remote control cars. They have
That's true, and remote control helicopters.
Toys. All right, number 2, Vivus jumping almost 9%. Cowen raising the biopharmaceutical company to outperform from market perform, citing favorable risk-reward. Cowen also boosting its price target to $19. All
right, you hear the bell. That brings us to our number 1 stock of the day. We're talking about Eli Lilly, dropping more than 3% after the drug maker said that meeting its 2014 sales target will be a challenge. Lilly also said it plans to repurchase $5 billion in shares and introduce new diabetes drugs.